Hi, Santa needs your help. Would you like to help Santa with us today? Join us on Asher's Day.
Merry Christmas!
Welcome to Santa's workshop. Let's take a look at Santa's workshop. Happy holidays from Asher's Day. Please subscribe. Can you help count the stars with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! There are 5 stars. Now we need to count the gifts. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 presents. Great job! You're Santa's little helper. Okay, now Santa needs our help counting some of his reindeer. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All accounted for. There are 5 reindeer. Excellent! Excellent counting, guys.
Ho, ho!
Now he can ride his sleigh. He's taking us to the North Pole. Wow! He needs our help here with something else. Let's see what it is. He says he wants us to count the candy canes. 1, 2, 3. Great job! There are 3 candy canes. Can you tell me the colors on the candy canes? They are red and white. Wow, you're so smart. Keep up the good work. Can you tell me the color of this sled? Did you say red? That's right. Awesome job. Now let's take a look at what Asher's doing.
Hey Asher, what color is the snow?
White.
That's right, it's white. Snow. Is snow hot or cold?
It's cold.
It's cold. What letter does snow start with? Do you know? S. Yes, good job. Asher, what is that?
A snowman.
A snowman.
My mom said
Cool. What's the ice feel like? Go ahead, touch it. It feels wet? And what else? Cold? Cold? Really cold. Asher, what's on top of its head? A hat. Point to the hat.
Where's the other one?
Good job.
Put it on the nose, Becca.
What do we wear on our hands to keep them warm?
Push your finger.
What are they?
Gloves.
And what letters do gloves start with?
P.
G. 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 Gloves. They start with the letter G.
He's going to ride a sled in the snow. Wow, how exciting! Looks like fun.
Just don't lean back. did it.
I didn't know what was down here.
Wow, we're going really fast. This is so much fun. Whoa! This is a white ice skate. This is the ice skating rink. And there's Asher.
Hi, baby.
He looks like a baby deer on ice. There's Asher with his little baby deer tail. He looks like a little baby deer on ice for the first time. This was his very first time ice skating. Let's take a look at some other people ice skating. With ice skating, the more you practice, the better you will get. Practice, practice, practice. Just like anything else, the more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had fun learning with us today. If you're not a subscriber already, make sure you give that big red button a smash for Ash. We'd really appreciate it. And also, add us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Our links are in the description below. We would really appreciate that too. And we hope that you have a happy holidays from all of us at Asher's Day. We'll see you next Friday, kids. Bye.